The average American wastes over $200,000 in their lifetime on unused subscriptions. That's a house. That $14.99 streaming service, multiply by 6 subscriptions over 40 years. It's a wealth destroyer. Companies perfected the auto-renew model. They prey on your forgetfulness and inertia. Psychology is their weapon. Your paycheck is your riskiest asset. Every dollar lost to unused subscriptions is stolen time, stolen freedom. But what if you could flip the script? Turn those leaks into a wealth-building machine. Stay with me. Psychologists call it the subscription effect. Once it's automatic, it disappears from your mental budget. Your brain treats a $10 monthly fee as invisible, but $10 a month over 30 years? That's a family vacation. Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, gym, meal kits, cloud storage. A typical person has 12 subscriptions, 12 auto drains. When I audited my own subscriptions, I found a magazine, unread for 2 years, $29.99 monthly, $720 flushed. But the real damage isn't the monthly fee, it's what you could have done with that money invested. Here is where the math gets brutal. That $100 per month in subscriptions, invested at 7%, becomes over $120,000 in 30 years. Every subscription is stealing your future self's freedom. $50 a month becomes a year's rent in retirement. And this is just one lever. The next trap is how companies force you into higher tiers without you noticing. Meet Jake and Emily, both 28. Jake keeps all subs, Emily cuts to 2. Emily invests the $80 difference. At 65, Jake has $0 extra. Emily has over $150,000. My neighbor ignored this. He's 62 and still working instead of traveling because of small leaks like these. The most dangerous subscription is the one you forgot. Your bank statement has ghosts. 67% underestimate monthly subs by $200. Companies use psychological pricing. $14.99 looks like $14, but it's $180 a year. Anchor that number. But the worst part? Most advisors won't tell you about a 2-minute phone call that can slash your bills in half. I called my internet provider, asked for the new customer rate. They gave me $20 off, $240 saved in 1 minute. Without an audit, you'll keep paying for services that slow your path to financial independence. It's a silent drain. Your exit strategy starts with a ruthless audit. Download your last 3 months of statements, circle everything. Categorize, need versus want. Does it align with your lifestyle design? If not, it's a liability. Now here is the part that could save you $2,000 this year alone, and it takes 5 minutes. Cancel what you don't use. For what you keep, negotiate or switch to annual plans, saving 15 to 20%. Lisa canceled 7 subs, saved $150 a month. She started a Roth IRA. Her friend kept them. After 20 years, Lisa has nearly $75,000. Her friend has nothing. A subscription trap is a symptom of mindless spending. The cure is intentional living, a calculated reality. Before you subscribe, calculate the 10-year cost. $15 a month equals $1,800. Is it worth $1,800? This next mindset shift turned my finances around faster than any stock market gain. It's simple but powerful. Automate your savings first. Redirect canceled subscriptions to an investment account. Make your money work for you. Every dollar not on autopay to a corporation is a lever for your freedom. Pull it hard. Meet Sarah, 30, earning $60,000 in Austin, Texas. She has 10 subscriptions costing $175 a month. She cancels 7. That's $120 back each month. She invested in a low-cost index fund at 7% return. By 45, she has $35,000. By 60, she has over $135,000. That's from unused subscriptions alone, pure profit. Now imagine she also cuts dining out by $50. Total invested monthly $170. At 60, she has nearly $200,000 extra. Sarah didn't earn more. She just stopped the drain. You can be Sarah. The math is on your side. The subscription economy is designed to keep you passive. But now you have the exit strategy, the compounding edge. Thousands have already used this exact plan to reclaim their financial future. The math doesn't lie. Your turn is now. Your first step, pause this video for 5 minutes right now. Open your banking app. I'll wait. Identify 3 subscriptions you don't need. Cancel them before the video ends. Small action, massive reward. That small action today could be worth $38,000. Not a typo. Compound interest loves discipline. The average person saves $2,400 in the first year after an audit. That's a $200 monthly raise, permanently. Reboot that raise to an automated investment. Let compounding do the heavy lifting while you sleep. You are not just saving money, you are buying back your time, your choices, your freedom. That's priceless. Next time, I'll reveal the exact 3-fund portfolio that beats 95% of fund managers. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Dollar Hatch is about building a life by design, not default. Hit subscribe and join the movement. Your journey to financial independence starts with one decision, today, right here, right now. Question: what subscription did you realize you don't need? Comment below, I'll read every single one. Because a calculated reality beats a passive life. You are the asset. Start acting like it.